Today I'll be making this wonderful coconut nadu, which is made in every household during Dasera or the Dasera festival. So today we'll be making this wonderful recipe, how we do it, and what is the tips and tricks we'll discuss. I've taken one whole coconut grated, and you have to ensure that the quantity of the coconut should be equal to the jaggery or the grated jaggery or the quantity. So here I am using just as a quantity 1 is to 1. So after taking it out from the liquid jaggery, we'll be mixing it with the coconut nicely and make it a some kind of ball, or we'll mix it together so that the water comes out of the jaggery and it becomes soft and easy to handle. When it becomes like this kind of texture, we'll put it on the fire. We'll put it on the fire on a slow fire, and we'll cook it to a stage where the coconut everything will come out of the fry pan and should be easy to, you will understand, like whenever we are cooking in the manner, so when it comes out of the kadai, it's ready to use. So I have taken 2 cardamom and will crush it in a this kind of equipment so that it is crushed properly. What do you call this? Please let me know in the comment, so that in the next time I will be telling you what is this is called. So I'll be crushing the cardamom into a fine crush, and we'll use this. See, the coconut has started coming out from the fry pan, and it is sticking to the, still little some more time is required. When it start forming lump, you'll be able to understand. See, it is coating the back of the spoon also, and we are checking it. I think this is almost done. After this is done, we'll remove in a plate so that it cools down, not completely all together, but we should be able to handle from one side, and it should be hot in another side, so that it doesn't cool down completely at a time. And this is so hot that it forms some kind of reddish in the hand. You have to be little careful and have to handle this when it is hot. So it be like the lump what is there, it is still hot, so that's the reason, like we have again mashed it with the spoon. We'll be again rolling it into ball and putting it into the kadai or the plate where I'm keeping all the ladoos or nadu. Because it is made with coconut narkel, so it is called naru, or in Bengali we say it is nadu. Some people call this as ladoo, and they even call their daughter as ladoo because they love it so good. Please like, share, subscribe my channel with your friends and family. This is Jaggery Kadai Katha English, and bidding you bye. See you in a next recipe. Tata.